So we will take one example on based on these functions get and put. First is how to read and write data into file in character mode. Okay, single character by single character. How to read and write the data one character by one character into a file which is in the character mode. Okay, so starts with including the files hash include fstring dot h header file. Second, hash include con.io dot h header file. If you use some string built-in string functions, so use hash include string dot h header file. Okay, so next is void main. In this program, what we have to do, we have to use put and get functions. How we can write single character into file which is exist on hard disk, and how to read the single character by character from the file which is exist on hard disk. Okay, so first you can create one string and write the data into that string, and which string obviously exists on RAM. Clear? So this is a console type of programming. First do the all console type of programming, read the data from keyboard and take that data character file or character data into RAM. For that use create for data type, that is character array. Suppose str, give the size, suppose size is 100, that is you can take 100 characters and save into character array. Next, cout, give the message, that is enter string /n, then cin, scan the string and take the data from keyboard and save the data into string variable. That is obviously you have to write the data into string. That str string is present on the RAM, and first character str of 0, str of 1, dot dot str of 99. Similar to file. Okay, reading and writing data into file. Similar way, you can read the data and write the data into character array. This is the character array called as str. Clear? So first enter the string, then cin, read the data from the console and write that data into str. Okay. Next means what happens on the console, message is enter the string, cursor is blinking. Suppose you are write A, B, C, D, E, F and press enter. Okay, so that data is obviously writing into str string, starting from the str of 0. First character is A, second B, C, like that. Okay, F. String obviously ends with the /0, that is null character. But all this data is not in the character format, it is present in the binary format. Clear? Next, what happens? Now you have to write that data into a file on the hard disk. First create one file, suppose data.txt. Create that file on the hard disk and write that data, that is ABCD, whatever may be in the string, into that file, that is data.txt, which is open in character mode, and write this all the data character by character into that file. Clear? For that, first create the strings. Which string? Output string. Clear? So OF string object is OF. So first create the object of OF string, that is for writing only. Okay. Next, OF dot open means using open function we can simultaneously open multiple files using open function. But if you use only constructor, only one file at a time. So use open function, of.open function, then use the name of the file first, data.txt, then mode of the file. If you require more modes, by default mode is iOS out. If you require extra modes, then comma and use the another modes. If you open the file in the binary mode, out is obviously present. Okay, you can write the data in binary mode. So you can specify iOS, scope resolution operator and binary. Clear? So just file is open normal mode, that is text mode, and data name is data.txt. So if the file is not exist on the hard disk, first file is created on the hard disk. Writing pointer is pointing to the first character or first location, that is initial location of that data.txt. Now next file is created which is present in the hard disk, name is data.txt. Now write the data in this character string into file. So first calculate the length of the string. How to calculate the length of the string? There is string length function, strlen, pass the name of the string. What it returns? It returns length, so integer length. So obviously size of the string character array is 100, but what is the length of the string? So string length functions calculate the length of the string. Next, after that, read first character from this array of string, that is first character. How to read first character? How to read first character from the file RAM on the RAM? For that, which function is exist? Directly you can write on the file. So use put. What is the argument? Character. Okay, so that is str of 0. First character is str of 0. Okay, that character you want to write into file. So name of the stream object. What is the stream object name? OF. That is, this is the stream OF, which is in the open file, which is writing mode. So using OF dot put. So obviously using OF, that is object of the stream, you can put the data using put function. Which character? str of 0. That is first character from your string, which is present on the random access memory, that is on the RAM. Clear? You want to now put second character. Obviously that character A is writing here, and this file pointer, that is writing pointer, automatically take the second position in the file. Clear? So write whole string means you can use loop. For I is equal to integer I is equal to 0, I less than equal to length minus 1 equal to less than equal to, so length minus 1 I plus plus, and write OF dot put str of I. Okay, so single one character by character writing from RAM to hard disk. Okay, clear? Next, close the file. Properly close the file using OF dot close function. Means now whole character string is writing into data.txt. Okay, and this string is get closed. Next thing, now open the file into writing mode and read the data from the file character by character. So OF dot open, OF dot open, but now it is a OF string. So create new object, that is IF string, IF dot open, which file? Same file, that is data.txt. Clear? Now read the data from that file. Here now the data A, B, C, D, E, F is writing into the file. At the end of the file, some mark is there that is called as end of the file, EOF, end of the file. Okay, which indicates file date ends here. Similarly, string character array ends with the /0. That is indication, that is end of the character string. Okay, so now file is opened into writing, that is IF. Object of that string is IF. Open for reading the data from file. File pointer, obviously that is reading file pointer is pointing to the first character in that file. Next, read whole string or at the end of the file. So how to read? We know that length of the file. Okay, so again use for loop I is equal to 0. Now here I works no, because integer I is equal to 0 means it is into this block structure, local variable for this block structure. Okay, it does not works here. So again you write integer I is equal to 0. Clear? कळतं का बघा पॉइंट? इथं int I is equal to 0 हा काय होणार आहे, ब्लॉक स्ट्रक्चर लँग्वेज मध्ये स्कोप असणार आहे त्याचा, कर्ली ब्रॅकेट पुरता तो पुढे फॉर लूप ला कंटिन्यू होणार नाही. पुन्हा तो काय म्हणेल, व्हेरिएबल डिक्लेअर नाही. लक्षात येते काय, इट गिव्स यू सिंटॅक्टिकल एरर. जर तुम्हाला तसं नसेल करायचं तर int I काय करू शकता तुम्ही, int I बाहेर डिक्लेअर करा, स्कोप त्याचा वाढवा, मेन मध्ये असेल. सो you can use I here also, don't write in here. Clear? Next, I less than equal to length minus 1 I plus plus. So read the file using if dot get function and what is the argument? बघा मी काय करतोय, if थ्रू कॅरेक्टर रीड करतोय फाईल मधलं. कुठलं कॅरेक्टर, जिथं तुमचा रीडिंग पॉइंटर पॉइंट करतोय सध्या करंट लोकेशनला ते कॅरेक्टर रीड होणार आहे. रीड करून कुठं घ्यायचं आहे, रॅम मध्ये. रॅम मध्ये कुठं, तर कुठला तरी कॅरेक्टर व्हेरिएबल पाहिजे. कुठल्या कॅरेक्टर मध्ये, str of I, पहिला कॅरेक्टर पहिल्या लोकेशनला str of I. जर तुम्हाला अजून एक गोष्ट करायची असेल, ती स्ट्रिंग क्लिअर करायची असेल तरी सुद्धा तुम्ही स्ट्रिंग क्लिअर करू शकता. ओके, बघा str of I पहिलं कॅरेक्टर जे असेल ते पहिलं कॅरेक्टर प्रिंट करून कुठे येईल, तुमच्या str of 0. ऑटोमॅटिकली काय होणार आहे, I++ होणार आहे. सेकंड कॅरेक्टर सेकंड str of 1 लाईक दॅट. क्लिअर? आता ही टोटल स्ट्रिंग रीड झाली. सी आउट करून बघा कन्सोल वर की डेटा आलाय का. सी आउट string is equal to str. Okay, last step is close the file properly, that is if dot close main function get closed. Clear? So using get and put functions we can read or write single character by character from file, and obviously writing data into file, but high mode is obviously binary. Okay, so today we will stop here.